Explanation for troubleshooting because this building has no maintenance until now. So we will share through video what are the problems here to resolve and what are the common problems that we can easily resolve. Okay, first, this is the solar panel. This is the solar panel of voice guard. This is voice guard. Well, the other panel is the parallel solar panel. So we have two panels, which is called solar panel or transponder, meaning there is a main panel. This is from the branch. This branch is only in zone 1, which is our building is divided into zone 4. Zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, and zone 4. This is zone 1. Belongs to 1/4 side of this building, traffic control. So in this panel, we have a trouble last week, which is an intermediate parallel, which cannot be resetted in the panel because of problem here, which is not yet referred during this week. Okay. First, we have to make them familiar these things. This is the cabinet for parallel factor because to dot, and this is the battery cabinet. Same as for the parallel, this is factor also, and this is battery. Okay. Inside consists of ductlet. This is the voice. If you install the voice, it will be installed from here, and this is the amplifier, which will amplify during parallel. And this is mixing, which will link to those other modules to communicate going to the main panel, the command. Okay, this is the mixing meaning network. This is SIG48. It can be used for bell or speaker. Mixing, mono. This mixing, this SIG48, meaning these are voice all. This is the network, and this is the stored voice. This is the amplifier. This is power supply. We have two types of power supply. This is PS12, meaning there is charger. This is PSX12, no charger. So meaning if your power supply cannot accommodate with this thing, so we have to extend that, which will be charging from here. So this is only a simple explanation of this one. We'll go deeper after we have more time for this. Okay, these are the things which is PTV, which are in primary input. This the secondary, and it will supply from here, from 240 to 24 volt output. So this is our transponder or sub panel for voice. It is zone 1. Okay, you can see here. This is the battery. This is our battery. Backup battery here. If there is no easy power in the battery, will operate. So meaning still you have a parallel until how much time it will take about run out or whatever, 3 feet. So you have a backup. This is with this one. Okay. Here, this is the parallel. This is the parallel panel. Okay. Our parallel panel is consist of network. Network means it will communicate to the main panel, which will show you later. Okay, we have DLC. This DLC, it can be hooked up to 2 zones or 1 zones, meaning 250 devices in one part. So we have here how many DLC? 1, 2, 3. This once again, the DLC is the zone card or loop or devices. Okay. This is our safety here. Al-Balagh. This is our safety. He is responsible here. He is representative from Al-Balagh to operate the system. That's why we are trying to explain him what are the things that have to be done during fire. And if there are troubles, so he will take charge. Start from now. Because we'll train him how to do it and how to operate. Okay. So now we'll continue this one. Okay. Last week, again we have this mixing network to the main control, the DLC, which is again the loop for the devices. So there are 250 devices in one card. It can be accommodated 250 devices, but because of some additional, we are only putting 100 plus. or easier or more, not less than 200, not more than 200. Okay. So these are the cards. This Sikori, which is the bill circuit, meaning there's a lamp, this bill will ring, and after a period of time, as in the program, the audiology program, the speaker will sound should be open or blurred. So here we have this bill circuit part, and we have also here, which is now having a problem, which is now defective, and we have to replace it. Now this is the power supply. This same as I explained in there. This PSA12 has a charger, and this is the PSH12, the power supply, only extender. So this will charge that to make this in normal operation. Okay. Now we will explain now the problem before, the trouble before, which we cannot receive in the panel. Okay. This DLC card, as per the drawing, you can move it. Okay. This is the drawing, okay, which is having a loop. So this DLC card having two loops, loop 1 and loop 2 in basement area. In basement area, this loop 1 coming from parking area going to the public access 2. So loop 1 is consists of the vector from parking area to public access 2, and loop 2 circuit is only parking area. Okay. The problem here, these are the loop. This is summon loop for the parking area. This is loop 2, which is included in the public access.